Walking roads that I've never known, guided by a deeper tone. Every step in a different place, still I feel that familiar bass. Mountains high and the valleys low, to the silence the echoes grow. Every heartbeat, every sign, lead me back to the roots inside. This is a love journey through time, bro. Heavy bass like a sacred sign. Conscious waves in every space, guiding souls through every place. This is a love journey, so I try. Feel the rhythm as your guide. From the past to the here and now, in the sound we take the vow. Ocean deep and the desert dry, same vibration passing by. Different faces, different names, but the roots remain the same.